So hi guys, today we will be solve a one problem on CodeChef. Name is restore sequence. So what we have given is we have given a complex machine, and when we feed a sequence to that machine, it produces another sequence, and the condition here is the BI element is the largest index such that AI divides AJ. So what is meant by that? Let's suppose we have this sequence 2 6 5 3 4, right? Let's try to index this element 1 2 3 4 5. So what we need to figure out, we need to figure out the index of the largest element that is completely divisible by the ith element. So let's try to figure out the index of the largest element that is divisible by 2. So here what we can see here, like 2 is divisible by itself, right? And 2 is divisible by 6 also, but 2 is not divisible by the fifth, and it is not divisible by the third, and but it is divisible by the fourth, and fourth is actually the largest element that is divisible by 2. So we can simply put the index of that element 5 in our output array. Then again we will pick another element. So let's now pick the second element, which is nothing but 6. So we need to figure out the index of the largest element that is completely divisible by 6. So here we can simply say, like, 2 is not divisible by 6 is not divisible by 2, but 6 is divisible by itself, right? And uh, 6 is not divisible by 5, 3 and 4. So what would be our largest index in that case? 2 will be our largest index, right? And for the third element, which is nothing but 5, we will do the same thing. So we will see 2 is not divisible by 5 is not divisible by 2, neither it is divisible by 6, but it is divisible by itself, neither it is divisible by 3 and 4. So what would be our largest index in that case? This is 3, right? And we will do for the fourth element. So what would be our answer in that case? It is 3 is not divisible by 6, not 5, not 6, not 5, and it is divisible by itself, not 4. So we can simply put 4 here, and for the last elements, it is the largest element that is divisible by itself, that is the index of the largest element, that is nothing but 5. So this is the sequence that is produced by that machine. So actually this problem is not related to, we need to figure out something else. So let's see. So we have the sequence and we produces this output, which is correct, and but we have given one condition. In the actual problem we have given the bth sequence, means we have given the result, we need to find out the question, right? So we have given the result, we need to figure out what would be the input so that b sequence is produces. So let's try to dry run on sample test case. So here let's see, let's take this example. So this is the sequence that is generated by this input. So the sequence is that is generated by this input is 4 4 4 and 4, and what would be the input sequence? 6 3 12 4, right? Let's index this element 1 2 3 4, and if we look here is, if we look here, like 2 is divisible by itself, it is divisible by 6 also, it is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 12, and 12 is the largest index. 12 is the largest element, and what is the index of that element is 4. So we simply put 4 here. And for 6, 6 is not divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by itself, 6 is not divisible by 3, and it is divisible by 12. And what is the index here is 4. We can simply, and we can do the same thing with the rest of the input. So this is eventually our answer, but we need to figure out this element somehow. So hope you understand the problem and you will try to definitely code it yourself. Thank you so much.